my friends, I'm here again. Today I'm going to be talking about chords, major and minor chord. Now, what is a chord? A chord is actually the combination of three or more notes. And so let's give it a trial. For instance, this is key C. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can go to some of my previous lectures. You have a better understanding from there. So now let me talk about chords. We'll have key C as our root note. If you are playing a triad chord now, we'll have C, E, G, which is our major. Now by numbering, we can have it as 1, 3, 5. Now there are different ways of identifying musical sounds. We can use numbering, we can use keys, then we can also use frequency. No, that one has to do with system. But let's deal with numbering in this place. That means okay, our do, which do by tonic sofa, which is 1, re is 2, mi is 3, fa is 4, so is 5, la is 6, t is 7. Then of course back to our do, which is 1 or 8. So now for major chord we have 1, 3, 5, which is do, mi, so. So we have this. So once we're able to understand this, it's going to help us, and we're going to be achieving something at the end of this class, the formula for a major chord. Now the formula for major chord is actually what we call 3 plus 4. Let me explain. Now we'll have our 1, 3, 5, which is this, do, mi, so. Now the interval in between them is what I refer to as 3 plus 4. So that means you're going to be counting 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. Okay, let's start with the 4 plus 3, which is the major chord formula. So these are root notes, which is 1. So from 1 to 3, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, which will lead you to the second note. Then you count 1, 2, 3, which will lead you to the third note. So this is just the formula for major chord on any key. So you have your do, mi, so. If I'm to move to a key like F now, the same thing applies here. So this is key F. So I'm going to be having 1, 2, 3, 4. You see it? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try one other white key again. For instance, key B. The same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So you just discovered that the formula for a major chord is actually 4 plus 3. So that means for you to derive a major chord on any key, all you just need to do is, strike your root note, which is your do. Then you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have your second note. Then you count 3. 1, 2, 3, which is this. So by the time you do that, you've gotten your major chord. Now let's try the black keys and see. For instance, let's go to a key like F sharp. We'll still use the same thing. Of course, when you are counting, you don't count from your root notes. It's after the root note that I start counting. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, these are me now. 1, 2, 3. These are so. Let's go to key B flat. We'll have this. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now that's for major chord. Now, before I go on an exercise, we're going to try for minor chord. Minor chord is actually the reverse form for the major chord exercise. So major chord is actually 4 plus 3, like we said, but for minor chord is actually 3 plus 4. So we'll just do the same counting. You count 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. So by the time you go by this, you are able to identify your minor chord. Don't forget, major chord is 4 plus 3, but for minor chord is 3 plus 4. So once you do this, you're able to generate your minor chord on any key. If we are on this key, the same thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes like that, and it's very, very simple. Then there's another easier way to identify a minor chord from major chord. For instance, if I'm playing my major chord, which is 1, 3, 5, all I just need to do, if I don't want to go by counting, is to displace my third note, which is this, and I'll have a minor chord. So now let's group the keys, I mean the tonic so far, into which chord that they have a natural tendency to sound. For instance, our do chord, which is 1, is actually naturally major in nature. Whenever one is playing your root note, which is do, and you have, the tendency to play a major chord, which is 1 3 5, which gives you the formula of 3 plus 4. But when we're moving to 2, which is re, is actually different. Now what we're having here is 3 plus 4. That's well, from here now we have 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Now don't forget, whenever you are playing a chord, by the time you change from your progression, for instance, we moved from do to re now, this is going to be our 1. This is no longer our 1, because whatever we're doing now will be in connection with the key here. So this is a minor chord, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. This is also a minor chord, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. But for this is a major chord, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now you discover that these 7 notes is different. It's neither 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. Now your 7th key, or your T, is actually what we call an okay, this is actually a diminished chord. Instead of 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3 is on its own. But for the rest, 1 4 5, that's do. Fa so is actually major in nature. Then re, mi, and la are minor in nature. So once we understand that, it makes it interesting. So which is our do now, which is 1 4 5, they are actually major in nature. 2 3 6, that's a la, they are minor in nature. So that means we have major, minor, minor, major. Then we have major, minor. Don't forget this, diminish. Then back to what? Major. Alright, so you can just go through this exercise, and try to understand it. By the time you're able to get it, it becomes very, very easy for you on how you can find a major chord on any key. This does not apply to C alone. If we are to try a black key, for instance, we'll have this key here, which is A flat. It's still the same thing. This is my major chord on A flat. What did I do? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. So I have this, which is my do. Then for re now, don't forget, re we said is what? 3 plus 4. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Mi, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Your fa is a major chord, so we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. So is a major chord, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Your la is a minor chord, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Then for your T, don't forget, T is actually the one that is diminished in nature, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So it applies to any key. Once you're able to understand the formula, it will help you. So to wrap it up, for your major chord, the formula is having the distance of 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, that is 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3. While for minor chord is the reverse form. We'll have 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. So I hope this information is helpful. So you can follow me on my social media handle, on YouTube, Isaiah E. John, on Facebook, Isaiah E. John, and also Isaiah 2B, and even on Instagram too, Isaiah E. John. So you can follow me, and also kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share this video, and I believe that it will be impactful to you. And there are also other teachings that I'm going to be having on the keyboard, and even the ones I've had before. You just try to go through them. I know that it will be helpful to you. Thank you. See you in the next video.